Guys, good morning or good afternoon. So I started doing intermittent fasting, and I want to share with you guys what I'm having for my first meal today. Today's date is let me check. Guys, good morning. So you guys doing intermittent fasting. So I want to show you guys what I eat in a day, or what I'm eating for PCOS in Nigeria, because even though I no longer create those type of content, you guys are still asking, and I'm like, okay, let me share this. Somebody said, Tokwe, share with your sisters. My mind was before like, I'm still in my process, you guys. But I noticed that if you guys know, if you've been watching me for a long time, you see that my skin is a lot much clearer. I've not been consistent with the intermittent fasting, I'm not going to lie, but I try to do it like I don't put myself under any strict thing. But I'm just trying because I want to be more intentional, because I really want to shed a lot of weight. I didn't know I'd added so much weight because I wasn't really consistent. So a couple of things I bought apple cider vinegar, the uncultured one, that's the one with the mother. So I've been taking that like in the mornings. I'm just going to put a picture because when I'm preparing it, I'll show you guys. But for now, let me show you what I'm going to eat. The time is about 2 in the afternoon, so I'm having herbal tea, garden egg, and some granuts. That's what I'm going to be having for now. So you can do green tea. The herbal tea that I'm having, I think I've spoken about it before, it's called Slim Fast. That's what I'm having. So I'm having garden egg, I'm having granite. This is really very affordable. I know that one of the challenges a lot of people have when it comes to like lifestyle changes, especially for those of us in Nigeria, is you're like, oh, I don't have a lot, because a lot of things that you see a lot of people saying to spend money on things that some people like, I don't have that kind of money. now not disorder I get, I don't keep person. Anyway, so that's what I'm having. I'll show you guys what I'm going to have later in the day, and yeah, are good to go. Because at the end of the day, the thing about PCOS is that it's really more of a lifestyle change than a diet or any of those type of things, especially when you're trying to conceive, right? So yeah, and it's not just PCOS. Generally, if you're trying to conceive, you need to change what you're eating, because you might be taking supplements and all those other things. If your body is not in an alkaline state, if you're eating a lot of sugars, it's not gonna work. It's just the truth. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. For dinner, I am having onions, cabbage, tomatoes, and egg, and I have my dressing here. This dressing comprises of apple cider, oyster sauce, and small, what's it called, soy sauce. So I'm just going to mix them together and drizzle this guy here, and just drizzle everything here. I'm just going to, yeah, I think I prefer to use my fork. I'm going to do it this way.
And you like it?
Yeah.
Be bigger like me, yeah.
Okay. And there's also, what's it called, carrots. I forgot to mention. So yeah, this is my dinner. Come and eat with me. Day 1 completed. So you guys, this is day 2 of my intermittent fasting. Okay, so I want to prepare like a sauce that I'm going to eat. After I've eaten this raw, you guys know that yesterday I ate it raw, but I said, no, let's add some flavor. I want to lose weight, not be suffer head. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a sauce, garden egg sauce, not the normal traditional garden egg sauce. So I'll be using fish, pomo, and crayfish, so that's not like, you need healthy fat. nutritious, so I'm going to add crayfish because crayfish has protein. PCOS ladies, you need a lot of protein and good fat. I'm just going to scatter fish inside. And some more. We're going to be using just million cube because it's not plenty. I'm also going to be adding some low-cost beans. The thing about eating for PCOS is that you can't use normal diet because you need healthy fats, you need protein, you get, and you need a lot of oily fish. I'm not using it like that. In oily fish,
Mommy, one
a lot of anything to boost up zinc levels, vitamin D, and all of that. So we're just going to, if yeah, please, I'm working. So we're just going to make sure that this is. I'm going to taste it.
Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy,
We'll go and cut vegetable. Please cut vegetable for my garden. I'm just slicing some water leaf in my garden. Water leaf has a lot of zinc in it, so if you're struggling with PCOS, then this is something that you want to inculcate into your food. And yeah, so our meal is ready. Okay, I think we're good. I'm just going to serve and show you guys when I'm done. So our food is ready, lunch is ready, so you have the best of both worlds. So you can eat your normal Nigerian food with the same flavor without feeling like they're punishing you because you have PCOS. Alright, I'll show you guys what I'll eat for dinner later in the day. So bye. You guys, I'm having toast bread with my herbal tea. I'm not fasting today, so this is what I'm having for breakfast. So, yeah.